Join me on my west coast of Scotland adventure that starts with a 300-mile road trip to a meeting point in Bernavy, where I was picked up by Good To Go Adventures. 2 instructors and 10 other adventurers accompany myself on a 3-night, 4-day canoe journey, where we will experience wild camping, visit clan burial grounds from the Middle Ages, navigate whitewater, explore castle ruins, paddle the open sea, and watch me make amateur mistakes with a new camera due to overexposure. Our journey starts in Glenfinnan at the top of Loch Shiel, next to the 18-metre high Jacobite monument, a name given to the clansmen who died fighting for the Jacobite cause in 1745. Over the next 4 days we will navigate 30 miles over lochs, rivers and sea in hope of getting to our end destination of Glenuig, if the weather allows us to navigate the coastline. We launched at midday, so it wasn't long until we stopped for a break and a bite to eat on the west shoreline of Loch Shiel.
Have a leg stretch, guys.
Hello and welcome to Loch Shiel. We're in Glenfinnan, just at the top of Loch Shiel at the moment. We've just stopped off for our first brew, our first break. We've not paddled far, but yeah, we're just having a bit of a chat and we get together and getting to know each other better. The weather's been really good, been very kind. We had a little flash of sunlight then as well, a little bit of sunshine come through, which was lovely. Warmed the cockles and dried us out a bit, and the water's been really calm. Don't know exactly where we are down Loch Shiel yet, but we're not as far from our camp spot for later on today. So yeah, we'll just have a leg stretch here I think, and have a little bit of a nosy round, and then I'll bring you back probably on the water before our next camp.
This side is looking better than the other side. Oh, you're on about the small books? Yeah, they're that.
That's it now, we're all set up. It's been a busy day but a great day. The first day is just finding your feet where you're camping, it getting to the motion of things and meeting people and then just enjoying the new environment. But all that travelling and all that preparation has paid off now. We're on Loch Shiel and we're having a good time. Billy and Chucky, the instructors, have helped people set up the tents who needed it, and yeah, I think they're on with getting tea together now. We've actually got a lot of ladies in the water over there at the moment enjoying the wild swimming. I'm hoping to get in there and have a splash in a minute myself, but yeah, I've just set up my tent and I've got the Nemo tent, a long wide mat that I do enjoy on these multi-day trips, and a British military sleeping bag in there, and I've got all my gear prepped for later on this evening with my warm tattle ready for me when I need it, and we've hired up some dry timber on this trip already on one of the shores here. Earlier on today when we stopped for some breaks there wasn't so much about for the Kelly kettle, but yeah, we've found a good stash here, so we should be good for a fire later on, so I'm looking forward to that as well. But yeah, lots of things to enjoy here, so and I'm grateful for the weather, as I said, so yeah, let's get enjoying.
Thank you.
I can imagine the brainstorming.
So that's the end of day one. I had a great time by the fire, chatting with folk and getting to know them a bit better. And tomorrow we're still going to be on Loch Shiel. There's still quite a bit of a journey to do on this loch, but I think we're at some campsite tomorrow. It's a basic campsite in the sense that it's just got running water there to top up our water supply. But yeah, more Loch Shiel tomorrow, but grateful for the weather we've had today.
a bit of sun popping out, and the stars have come out tonight as well, which is lovely to see, and barely any wind as well. So yeah, it was a nice thing, a nice experience to be with everyone by the fire, and just to be comfortable outdoors, because as I might have mentioned, the forecast wasn't great for this trip, but yeah, he who dares wins, and we've been blessed with some pleasant weather, so I'm grateful for that. But looking forward to the rest of the trip, and I'll bring you back in the morning. Morning, and it's a good morning on Loch Shiel. It's really pretty here this morning. There's kind of been like a low cloud on the water there. Been enjoying that vista. Many vistas, many views all around me that are really nice to soak up and enjoy. It's such a lovely place around here. Camp's just waking up. Billy and Chucky are getting the breakfast on the go. And I just started packing down some of my tent, along with everybody else, just kind of getting packed away, ready to get on the canoes after we've had some breakfast. But at the moment, yeah, we're just having a chat and getting some a hot brew in us before we start our day. And we'll be on Loch Shiel today, I think. Still, we'll exit it tomorrow. And I might have mentioned yesterday that there's a campsite we have in mind. A campsite being just that it's got running water and a toilet, I believe, but that's as basic as it is. And that, yeah, so it's just a tootle down Loch Shiel today, nothing major. I've not looked at the weather. I'm not going to. I'm hoping it's going to stay like this, or if not better. But yeah, either way, I've had a dry day, and I always think on a multi-day trip, if you get one dry day, then you can't grumble. You know what I mean? So no, I'm happy to have had this yesterday's weather, and this morning's weather as well. No rain, but yeah, it's a little bit nippy. So yeah, I think I'm just going to go over there with the rest of the team and get a hot brew with me.
You just landed like one of the camp. You just landed like one of the camp. One of them, I thought.
Well, we're all full of bacon now, and got a brew in our bellies, and we're just packing away the rest of the kit. But just before we set off, I think I should show you just what we have covered so far and what we plan to cover today. So this is a map of our journey, what we're planning on doing, but I don't think we're doing all of this. We're actually going to possibly end about there. That's what Chucky's talking about at the moment. But we started doing Glenfinnan, and then we had a bit of bite to eat here. We stopped off for a break there, and that's about where we are now. And we're planning on getting to this campsite, which I believe is around about here somewhere. That's the end goal for today. So I don't think it's a big paddle at all. I think so we've got plenty of time to achieve that. But yeah, that's the end goal today. All packed away, ready to get in them canoes over there.
So this is our first break of the day, just stretching the legs. I took the opportunity to gather some twigs together for the Kelly kettle for later on. We found some dry ones under a tree. They're a bit of a rare thing that round here, the dry twigs at the moment. But yeah, I think we're just actually setting off now. Best get back in my canoe. But yeah, it's been a nice little place to visit. There's a few little memorials and things like that here. And yeah, it's just another lovely place to stop off and have a look around. But yeah, I think we're getting back on the water now to go to our next camp spot where we're going to have some dinner, I think. Hello again. Another little stop off. They're just popping up everywhere, these lovely little bays on the shoreline. Loch Shiel. Just got the Kelly kettle out and got some more twigs in there and got it going. And I think we're having a bite to eat as well. And there's just loads of potential camp spots everywhere. Yeah, there just seems to be one after another. And we've barely seen anyone as well. We haven't seen anyone at all actually since we've set off. We saw a boat on the other side briefly, from the opposite side to the loch to us. But yeah, it's just us. We've got all to ourselves, which is great. And we're just enjoying the views, the panoramic views. They are just everywhere, and they're brilliant. The weather's been kind to us as well. The wind's been, when it has been blowing, it's blowing us in the right direction, and it's not been too strong, and there's no rain, and it's not a bad temperature. It's all good. We've done so well. So yeah, very grateful. And the group of people getting to know them a bit better are lovely as well, so I'm very grateful for that as well. But yeah, I'm going to head back to the rest of the scene now and get a top up of my brew and get some more food in me, and then we'll get back on the water. You know the good glove technique, don't you?
The glove technique.
Yeah, you tip it on its side like that, you stuff it in one, boop, boop, boop,
Yeah.
boop.
Yeah.
Does that stop it slipping?
Yeah, if you tip it on its side, yeah.
These little bits in it. Tip the...
Pressure gone, and then it's like angelic face.
Oh, we've just stopped off for a bit of lunch. We just filled our bellies, had a brew and just chilled out for a bit. And now we're just going to head towards our campsite for the evening and yeah, get set up there. I think a bit of rain is due as well, about 4 o'clock. We're about, what time is it now?
2:30. So yeah, it's coming in the rain this evening, this afternoon. So we'll try and prepare ourselves for it. But we've had a lovely day today. It's been nice and still, and we've had a good paddle. And yeah, pack up time on the dinner camp, and then we'll get back on the water. I'll see you in a bit.
Some of the launches have been quite easy, I have to say.
We are now approaching the largest island on Loch Shiel, known as St. Finan's Isle or the Green Isle. An area I was looking forward to exploring, as this was the site of the medieval stone chapel and burial ground. It is said to be one of Scotland's many historical and cultural landmarks of importance. The chapel and the island was named after St. Finan, the second bishop of Lindisfarne, an Irish monk who spread Christianity in these highlands in the 7th century. It is believed he built the first cell, a timber structure on the island where he lived and taught, that was then over time replaced by the chapel that was constructed on its site by the early chief of the clan Ranald in the 13th to 14th century. With the chapel in place, the island became a site of pilgrimage and a burial ground for the clan Ranald family until the end of the 16th century, but unfortunately fell into ruin in the mid-17th century. The medieval altar has survived, as did the chapel bell, but that was unfortunately stolen in 2019. What we see now is a partial reconstruction from the 19th century, with the original medieval masonry incorporated into its walls. There are many headstones, crosses and monuments on the island, some of great age, as this land has been used as a holy place for over 1,000 years, first as a place of worship and then as a burial ground, as it still is used to this day. So we're at the campsite now. We've just unloaded all the canoes. Yeah, there's a flushing toilet here, I believe, and some running water, so we can replenish our water supplies. Weather's a bit ropey. Yeah, we're a little bit wild coming in there. I think we're at the bottom of Loch Shiel now, so we'll exit Loch Shiel tomorrow. But yeah, we're going to make this our home for this evening. I'm just about to put my tent up, and yeah, it's all quite civilised with flat ground around here, so hopefully we'll all be comfortable tonight and not on any uneven humps and bumps and cow paths like we were yesterday. I think everyone's just getting the tent set up now, and then we'll have a chat to Chucky and Billy about what time tea is. So I'll just get my tent set up, and then we'll meet up with all the rest of the gang. I'm all set up now. I'm tucked away in my tent. I've got a lovely view of the bottom of Loch Shiel, and I've got all my kit sorted out now. I've set up my stall, pretty much same as I did yesterday. Got a section of dry bags in the porch there that are dripping wet still, so that's alright. They're not going to get in the tent wet out there. And over there I've got all my clothes and just admin stuff, and some technology in the corner there, and my charging station for my camera, and obviously my wee bottle. Essential bit of kit when you don't want to get out of your tent in the night. But all that's sorted now. I've had to improvise. I've got some rubbish trainers with me for this trip. They're my only evening shoes, and they've got holes in them, so they're not very water repellent anymore. So I've had to put carrier bags on my feet because I didn't want to get my only, well, they're not my only dry socks, but they're my big dry socks. I didn't want to get them wet, so I thought by putting carrier bags on my feet that might stop that from happening. So yeah, they're working well. Feet are nice and toasty, so I'm pleased with that. It's been a good day today as well. Really enjoyed it as we pulled up off Loch Shiel at the campsite. Yeah, the rain did come down then, but yeah, we all managed to get set up, and it's stopped raining now. And now it's just a case of getting over to the communal area and seeing what the crack is regards to tea time, and see if I can help out with anything boiling water with the Kelly kettle's often one of my jobs. Quite enjoy that. But yeah, everyone seems to be having a good time now. The rain stopped. But now I think I'll just head over to the communal area and check out what Chucky and Billy are knocking up for tea, and have a bit of a chat with everyone, and get a brew in my belly.
Hello there.
Hello there.
How are we? All right.
Very good, sir.
That's great.
All right.
Please may I have a bit of the juice?
Oh, the juices. Mine are juices.
The jus.
Sorry, the jus.
I was thinking.
Got annihilated by Eggy. All right, we'll get on with it then.
We've just had a lovely tea cooked by Billy and Chucky. It was great, really enjoyed it. Had a nice chat with everyone whilst we was getting it down. Had a nice hot drink as well. And now we've been talking about getting a campfire together on the one of the shorelines. It's a bit beachy, so we're going to get on with that in a minute. But first, I just thought I'd show you and talk to you about where we've been today, and some of the locations on Loch Shiel where we are. That was the campsite where we set off from this morning, and then we've paddled down here today. This was one of our first brew stops to stretch your legs, and then this was where we had something to eat. And I think about here is where the island was. This where the chapel was, about here. And then we are about here now on this campsite. Yeah, and then tomorrow we're just going to finish off Loch Shiel, and then we'll enter into this river about there. So that's the plan for tomorrow. So that's the end of day 2. I've really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed Loch Shiel. Really enjoyed visiting the little island, and it's just been a lovely paddle with a mixed bag of weather, as Scotland often offers. But yeah, it's been a good day, and I really enjoyed this evening as well. Great food by Billy and Chucky, and a little campfire on the beach as well. So that was a lovely way to end the day. And looking forward to tomorrow, which is entering a river system, so that bit of moving water will be fun. So I'll sign off now, and I will see you in the morning. Good morning, day 3 on Loch Shiel. I think it's day 3, I think that's right, yeah. It's a dry morning, it's not too cold, I slept well last night. There's cows moving in the background, yeah, I'm excited about today because it's the river section that we're starting. There's nothing major about it. I don't think it's any grade 2s or anything like that, but it's just nice to be on a bit of moving water for a change, isn't it? You know, something a bit different. So I'm looking forward to this. And everyone's just packing away the gear now, the tents, putting them down and all the kit. And then we're going to meet for some breakfast at the communal camp area, get a hot drink in us and have a chat about what the day will entail. But yeah, that's what we're on with now, so I'll bring you back later.
Grab a plate from up there and
That's breakfast done. Some lovely square sausages. I like them, they make a lot of sense. So I've had a brew, I've been square sausage butty, I had a croissant as well, I filled my boots. And yeah, now it's just packing the last bits away. And then we'll get on the water, but I'll just show you what the plan is today from what Chucky's just told me where we might think we're going to get today. And I got a bit wrong with regards to where I thought we were. I thought we were here at this campsite there, but it's not. The campsite's actually where the road is there, so that's where we are now. And now we're going to do all this kind of run here down the river and navigate this part here. And Chucky reckons we'll get here, and at this point is when we decide what the crack is, if we can do this or not, depending on, because this is like, that's the coast, so yeah, it's tidal, so we need to reassess at this point. But that's the plan for today. But yeah, really looking forward to this bit of moving water here, so let's get cracking. Got the lovely bit of putting my wet shoes and socks on now. All packed up, ready to load. I'll take this over to water's edge now and we'll start getting the kit in the canoe.
some houses on the far shore, on the left shore, and in there's a pier. The land there, different coffee. They've got bakery and stuff in there too. I need to resupply a little bit of food.
Do they sell whiskey there?
And there's shop sells
Hard
whiskey.
liquor. They got a fun fair there and everything.
Yeah, fun fair.
Bouncy castle.
Yeah,
as you
it's all
approach
there.
Two bean machines.
Yeah, it's like Blackpool on in the mountains.
Go on. We're just at the bottom of Loch Shiel now, and there's like a little town or a little village here. So we've just pulled the canoes up and we're just on the way now to a coffee shop, and I think there's an opportunity to buy some bits and bobs there food wise, and maybe I'll have a look for some beer as well.
everybody. I'll just go get my boat.
We are now approaching the southwestern end of the River Shiel that drains into the tidal Loch Moidart. At high tide there is no noticeable level change and no portage is required. At low tide there can be up to a 4 metre drop off and is considered to be dangerous to attempt in a canoe. Chucky surveyed the water to make sure it was safe for anyone willing, but if we had to move fast as the water level was dropping.
Sorry Kim, I take full responsibility. We were the last ones down, so that's the last canoe. We had to get down there, but I'm glad I got to have a go at that, because sometimes you can't if it's the tide's too low, and it was dropping. This could be my excuse actually. It was the lowest because the tide was dropping and we were the last down, so yeah, that's totally my excuse now. The tide was lower when I did it and that's why I went in. Some other lads, Harry and Tony went in also, but a bit of fun into it.
You.
Where the River Shiel merges with Loch Moidart on the tidal island of Tioram stands Castle Tioram, a Gaelic name meaning dry castle. The 30-foot high, 8-foot thick walls were built for defence in the 13th century. The castle gained strategic control of the waterways. It was situated at a key point that allowed the controlling force to monitor the water traffic between the Hebrides and the mainland, an important trading route. The castle served as a seat for the Lords of the Isles. In 1373, the castle was granted to the first Ranald of the Clan Ranald. Between the 14th and 16th century, the castle was improved upon by the Clan Ranald and its descendants, the MacDonalds, incorporating 2 towers, making the castle a far more impressive showpiece and residence. The MacDonalds of Clan Ranald held their castle as their seat until the end of the 17th century. In 1692, the castle was seized by government forces after the clan chief joined the Jacobite court in exile. In 1715, Clan Ranald did recapture the castle, but only to burn it to the ground so that it couldn't fall back into government hands again. The castle has remained a ruin ever since, and in 1920 it was designated as a scheduled monument, declaring it to be of national importance and requires specific consent for any work to be done to it. Some work has, however, been done to prevent ongoing decay, along with gating off the single archway entrance into the courtyard. This was due to public safety, as there was a collapse in its structure in 2000. It remains a popular attraction, be it remote, only accessed by land down a 2-mile single-track road or by water. Although the castle now is in a ruined state, and there is concerns about its structure and its future, it is easy to imagine that in its day, the castle would have had formidable presence guarding the important waterways. An essential asset in the struggle between the King of Scotland and the Lordship of the Isles for control over the Highlands and the islands in an area where battle was seaborne.
We're good.
This area, as does a lot of Scotland, offers a great opportunity to see a variety of wildlife. Seals are often seen on these coastlines, and many repopulation initiatives are successfully ongoing. The white-tailed eagle being one of them. This is the UK's largest bird of prey, said to have been driven to extinction in Scotland in the early 20th century. In the 1970s, white-tailed eagles, otherwise known as sea eagles, were reintroduced to Scotland from Norway. In 1985, the first chick was hatched in the wild, and now there are said to be in the region of 200 breeding pairs in Scotland, recorded to be increasing in numbers with further reintroductions planned. Many species of birds, some of them rare, live or visit these diverse habitats. In the 1980s, otters were reintroduced to boost their decline. Due to hunting bans and improvement in water quality, they have been growing in numbers. As otters are mostly nocturnal and live in large territories, it's not common to see them in the day, but at dusk and dawn, with patience or luck, there is good opportunity. The waters and surrounding land has been designated a special area of protection due to its importance for breeding birds and offering mammals healthy natural environment to help rebuild populations. However, for whatever reason you come to visit, this area is special.
Ahoy there, shipmates. Hello there. How are you?
We have reached Samirisari Bay, a beautiful coastline beach. This was our destination for our evening's camp. However, this was also the point in which we will turn back from in the morning if the sea was too rough. There was some chop on the water, but unsure if in the morning it would be worse, Chucky believed it was navigable, so we could complete our trip with our coastal experience. Not everyone gets to achieve the coastal paddle, so I was hoping for this, but admittedly apprehensive, having never paddled the sea before. More than grateful to have our instructors with us at this point, we set off and eagerly listened to Chucky's instruction.
Guys, we go around this corner. We're going in too close to the cliff, obviously. And there's a broken wave out there in the middle. So straight between the two.
Oh, that was mint. Yeah, I really enjoyed that. Yeah, I didn't expect it to be like that. I mean, to seeing it, so I don't know what I expected, but it was choppy. Yeah, but it was fun, and I wanted to be out of my comfort zone on this trip, and that's exactly what that gave me. I didn't feel like I was capable of doing that without any instruction, let's put it that way. So but yeah, Chucky and Billy are really good at what they do, and yeah, it made me feel as though it was doable. So yeah, I really enjoyed it, and the rest of the group as well did really well. Everyone did so well. It was proper choppy at some moments out there. There was like another obstacle of rocks out further, and it kind of played havoc with the waves, so we went in between the coastline and this other obstacle of rocks that, yeah, the waves were coming back off the coastline, and it were kind of sloshing us about from both sides. But yeah, it was exciting. So I really feel like I've achieved something today. It was great. Not to mention the white water earlier, you know, paddling down that drop off into the other loch, and seeing the castle as well. It's all going on today, isn't it? And the day's not over yet, so I've just found a spot to put my tent, and I'm sure Billy and Chucky are going to get on with getting tea ready now. We've all been to the shops and got some beer, so it'll be nice to come and sit down and a bit of a chat later on about the day, and I've already got my eyes on some wood for a campfire. So yeah, let's get cracking, get this tent up. Good morning, and it is a good morning. Look at this beautiful view, and it's dry as well, so that's even better. Yeah, we're all just getting the tents taken down now, and Chucky and Billy are getting on with getting breakfast on the go, and we've got the kettle on the go for a hot drink. Some of the ladies have been in the water for a bit of a paddle, and we've had a bit of a seal sighting out there as well, which was nice. A bit too far to get on camera, but yeah, it's nice to see them all the same. And what a great trip. Yeah, it's a trip I've been looking forward to achieving for a while, and I'm glad I got to do the whole thing as well. Yeah, so that not everyone gets to do the coastline crossing because it can be a bit too choppy, but we got to do it. Yeah, Chucky took the decision to push us on yesterday and get it complete, so yeah, today's just a bit of fun. But yeah, the west coast of Scotland trip is done and ticked off, so I'm really pleased about that, and we've all had a great time. Yeah, I would recommend this trip. It's really good, and also the Good to Go adventures with Chucky and Billy, excellent instructors, just know exactly what they're doing, and you do feel very safe when you're with them. Yeah, they're just very knowledgeable at what they do, and also they're great at knocking up some meals in all weathers, you know, no conditions. You get a good hearty meal as well. I like my food, and yeah, they don't disappoint me. So yeah, that's a lovely little bonus at the end of the day. After you have a hard day's paddling, you get a good meal in your belly. But yeah, really good trip, and yeah, I'm just looking forward to a little bit of a casual paddle out this morning, but now we're just going to get the tents down and get a bit of breakfast in us. Right, we're all packing up now. We're just getting ready to set off, but I'll show you where we are on the map now and where we're planning on having a look around. But the vehicles that are going to take us back to where we started are elsewhere, so that's where we'll end up. So this was our route all the way around here. We did all this, and then we did all that,
That's what we did yesterday afternoon late, and that's where we are now in this little coastline here. And we're just going to have a tootle around here, I think. I believe the vehicles is somewhere around here. Not sure yet. Chucky will inform me later on. But yeah, this is where we are. I'm just going to have a look around this coast here. Sometimes you can see dolphins apparently around there. But yeah, we already have seen a few seal head popping up, so maybe we might see a bit more of that. But that's the plan for now.
Got it on camera, it's alright. Yeah.
If I'd have carried on laughing, the sea would have got warmer. Right, Mary, you okay? Yeah.
Ta-da!
So that's it, that's the end of the trip. This is the end of the West Coast Scotland circuit, and it's been more than I hoped it would be. It's been great, I've really enjoyed it. The group of people that have been on it was fantastic as well. It's been great getting to know them a bit better. From castles to whitewater to beautiful views to sea paddling, this trip's got it all. And also we saw a seal as well earlier on, so a bit of nature in there as well. I've had a great time, and I hope I've done a good job of showing to you that if you can do so, this is a worthwhile trip to consider. Certainly consider using Good to Go Adventures as well. Chucky and Billy are great instructors, so yeah, I recommend them. I hope you've enjoyed it as well. So till next time, bye for now. You've done this before. I'm going to have to learn how to blur out Harry's hand gesture.
He wasn't.
Oh, he wasn't.
He wasn't.
I think he was.